Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello friends. In this series of Let's Learn with Monami, we will learn about the consonant team digraph sounds. What are digraphs? When two letters join together to make one sound. For example, which letter is this? Can you name this letter?
D.
And which letter is this?
H.
Good. So today we are going to learn the sound of TH. Letters TH have two sounds, voiced and unvoiced. Unvoiced and voiced are represented by these two symbols. Unvoiced, we do not use our vocal sound, and in voiced, small vocal sound is used. Rather, we can say a buzzing sound is used. Today we are going to learn the unvoiced sound of letters TH.
Unvoiced?
Yes, unvoiced. Now, let us learn how to make this sound. To make this sound, we are going to put our tongue between our teeth, like this. Then, we are going to blow out the air from our mouth. So it is a quiet sound. We are not going to make any sound from our vocal cord. It is a quiet, voiceless TH. That is the reason it is called as unvoiced. The unvoiced sound of TH as in thanks, thanks. 3. Unvoiced TH as in Thumbelina, who said thank you to all the little creatures who saved her life.
Thank you, friends.
Let us practice few words with sound. Thin, thick. Let us say it together.
Thin, thick.
Thirsty,
thirsty.
throat,
Throat,
thumb,
thumb.
3.
3.
Thread.
Thread.
Worksheet time. Look at the picture and fill in the missing letters. Name the picture.
Toothpaste.
Which letters are missing?
TH.
So in toothpaste, the sound of TH is unvoiced. Name the picture.
Thunder.
Which letters are missing?
TH.
Name the picture.
Mat.
Which letters are missing?
TH.
Name the picture.
Earth.
Which letters are missing?
TH.
Name the picture.
Thermometer.
Which letters are missing?
TH.
Name the picture.
Birthday.
Which letters are missing?
TH.
Good job, children. Thank you, children, for learning with Monami, and do not forget to practice these words. Stay happy, stay healthy, and do not forget to
Like, subscribe, and share the channel.
see you in our next episode. Till then, bye.
Bye, friends.